You know what? One of the most common pieces of advice we hear is just trust Allah. We genuinely want to know. No one enjoys living with stress and anxiety. Yet, many of us still lie awake at night, replaying every worst case scenario, checking our phones again and again, worrying about our future, our career, our marriage, our ex. Why? It's not because we are bad Muslim. But before that, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sundas. I'm here with a new video. So it's because we have trained our minds to believe that control the equals safety. Modern life teaches us that if we plan enough, work enough, or control every detail, we will be safe. But the moment something becomes uncertain, our minds panic. The cure, it's not trying to control everything. The cure, it's knowing Allah. The more you know Allah through His beautiful names and attributes, the easier it becomes to trust Him. Allah says in Quran, Surah Al-A'raf 7:180, and to Allah belong the most beautiful names, so call upon Him by them. And one of them, the beautiful name is Al-Wakeel, the best trustee, the one who perfectly manages every affair. Allah says in Surah Al-Imran 3:173, Allah is sufficient for us and He is the best trustee. And also He mentioned in Surah Al-Muzzammil 73:9, the Lord of the East and West, there is no deity except Him, so take Him as your trustee. So look around yourself. The planets stay in their orbits, the birds leave their nests every morning without knowing where the food will come from. Your heart keeps beating, your body keeps functioning. None of this is under your control. Don't you think Allah is already managing countless affairs in this universe? So why do we think He cannot manage ours? Once a prophet said in Tirmidhi 2344, if you were to rely upon Allah with the reliance He deserves, He would provide for you just as He provides for the birds. They leave in the morning hungry and return in the evening full. Notice something? The birds leave their nest. They don't wait for the food to come to them. This is the true meaning of tawakkul. The prophet also said, tie your camel, then put your trust in Allah in Tirmidhi 2517. So what do you understand by this? Tawakkul, it's not sitting back and doing nothing. It means whenever you have exam, study for the exams. Whenever you want to apply for the job, then apply for the job. Make the effort, make sincere dua. Then leave the result to Allah. Because the effort is your responsibility, but the outcome belongs only to Allah Ta'ala. Even when things don't go your way, remembers Allah's promise that He had made in Surah Al-Baqarah 2:16. Perhaps you dislike something while it is good for you, and perhaps you love something while it is bad for you. Allah knows and you do not know. The more you know Allah, the more you trust Him. The more you trust Him, the less fear controls your heart. So what I believe, tawakkul is not about knowing what will happen. It's about knowing the one who controls what will happen. So if you really understand this video, and if you really like this video, then share with your friends and family who really need to understand what tawakkul means. And if something really stuck, so do let me know in the comments. I also suffered through multiple objections in my life and complaints. But after getting new job by making tawakkul on Allah, I literally start reading about tawakkul and literally amazed by the miracles that He had done in my life. So I'll come up with another video, and if you really like my video, then must like it and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.